magical letters. P-Q-R, let's sing it again. Whoa! P is for painter, 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 who paints colors on the canvas. With his artist hands, he makes the world beautiful. P is for pen, 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 a pen that we hold in our hands. With it we write whatever we want, if you want, if you want. P is for pencil, 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 with soft and precise lines. We draw and create a wonderful world. P is for penguin, 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 a bird in the pole, dancing on ice with its little feet. P is for piano, 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 the beautiful sound of notes. It lifts our hearts with every melody it plays. P is for pilot, 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 the sky captain, flying high in the sky with courage and grace. P is for planet, 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 a planet in space, spinning around the sun as the days pass by. P is for paper, 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 a white and smooth sheet. We write on it, draw on it, and build our world. P is for peach, 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 a sweet and delicious fruit, tasting even better in the summer season. Q is for queen, 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 a queen with a golden crown, shining in her palace, ruling in people's hearts. Q is for quail, 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 a bird in the fields, flying gently and fluttering in the lands. Q is for Qatar, 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 a country with a new world, full of progress and prosperity. Q is for queen and queen and queen and a queen of the ant world, ruling underground with authority. It's for queen bee, queen bee, queen bee, a queen of the bees, sitting in the hive, filling trees with honey. P-Q-R, these are magical letters. P-Q-R, they color our world. P-Q-R, these are magical letters. P-Q-R, let's sing it again. R is for rabbit, 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 a rabbit with long ears, running in the garden full of joy and energy. Oh, whoa. R is for road, 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 a road ahead of us. With every step we move towards a new world. R is for rock, 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 a stone by the river, strong and steady, a symbol of power. R is for radio, 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 a device that plays the sounds of life, music and news reaching everyone's ears. R is for rain, 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 soft and calm rain, washing the earth, bringing the scent to nowhere. P-Q-R, these are magical letters.